You grew, you become more wise, you become more intelligent, you became more responsible, you became more you. Then why the hell your introduction became less interesting? Let me help you how the evolution of introduction happened. Whatever introduction you have created here right now, it has evolved. And how it has evolved? Let's see it. When we were kid, toddler, and I could tell you because I have 3-year kid, I have like a 6-year kid, and me myself, which is a little older, and then I have a few more people in my family. My father is in 80s, and then I could actually see how they introduce themselves. So when we were a kid, and try to like imagine or see when you were a kid, what were aspiration? You were like wanted to be a superhero. So my kid sometime introduce, like 2-year-old kid introduces, oh, I'm a Pocoyo. Pocoyo is a comic character, and he learns from it. Okay, he learns vocabulary from it. Okay, I am Pocoyo. I am funny. I am Lula. Lula is a dog in that character, and he does all this the imitate how the person the Lula dog behaves. Okay, and he learns from it. I'm a superhero. So when I was toddler, or I was like, if I could remember, my mom used to say that I always wanted to become a He-Man or someone. I mean, some kind of superhero. Okay. So as toddler, we have this interesting character we want to become. This used to our introduction, right? Then as we grow, we become preschooler. We go to some schools, class 1, class 2, class 3, like a little bit above toddler, preschooler. I'm a race car driver. I want to drive a race car. I want to go to space. I want to become an astronaut, and I want to travel through galaxies and things like that, right? We start saying, this is how we introduce ourselves. This is how exactly we look at the things. And when we try to imitate, we would try to be like that. Next, what happens is adolescent, like we come into the teenage, or we start looking at it, and then suddenly something hits around us. Now, when we try to introduce ourselves, I'll say that, okay, I'm in class 11, I'm in class 12, I'm doing MBBS, I'm doing masters, I'm doing MCA, I have taken math, science, commerce, arts, or whatever is college major. We try to introduce ourselves in that way. Suddenly, the designation, the position, the norm, whatever there in the outside, that becomes our introduction. And after that, we don't try to even take care. This is how we introduce in our adolescence. When we become professionals, we start introducing like something like, okay, I'm an engineer, I'm a CA, I have this X years of experience in Y domain, and I know XYZ tool and things like that, right? This becomes our introduction. Do you resonate with it? Do you see that this happens? If you see, put a yes in the chat. If you don't see, just try to imagine this is what happens in reality. This is one introduction. Okay. This is how the introduction gets evolved. An absolutely important thing which happened in this evolution. And for many people, before I give you the important thing what happens in this evolution, many people actually die with this professional introduction. They end their life with it. When we were kid, we used to change our introduction. First, one day I wanted to be Pocoyo, other day I wanted to be a He-Man, and I wanted to save the world. And suddenly, now I am just a technologist, and yeah, I am probably die like this. I have 15 years, 20 years, 30 years, 40 years, 50 years of experience in XYZ domain. I have handled XYZ project, done. This is the reality. This is the real life of many professionals. Okay. I'll tell you what is the distinction, what is the change is happening here, and I want you to deeply focus in over here. Are you guys with me? Are you guys having wow, amazing, crazy moments? Okay. Because we are going to unveil something very crucial here, which you must understand, and that will push you to give you the answer that why the hell you should have right introduction, or you must exercise the right of your self introduction. Okay, good. Let me tell you what happens from toddlers to professional, how the things move. When you were younger, your introduction was more interesting, more emotional. It has some kind of purpose. It has some kind of wow. And every time when somebody would say, my kid would say, I'm Pocoyo, and then somebody will ask the next question, what is Pocoyo? Who is Pocoyo? Can you tell me more about it? And what does he do? So interest grows. But as soon I become professional, I'll say, okay, I'm a CA. After that, they would not even ask any question. Okay, you are CA, fine. Done. So completely decrease in the emotional value, decreasing in the interest. Awesomeness got removed. Conformity gets increased. So people started, like you started conforming to the society and everyone and trying to fit in. Okay, I have 15, 20-year-old. How can I say that I still like Pocoyo? Many people cannot stand up and say that I still like Avengers. I still like reading cartoons. Many people cannot do that. Why the hell? You still love it. Sometimes you actually watch those cartoon strips, but we just miss it because we want to fit in. And in the process, we lose ourselves. Another very important thing happens or happened in the process from toddler to professional. I'll tell you, this is the contradictory, how the interest goes down, emotion goes down, the awesomeness of your goes down through the evolution. But actually, what happens is you grew. When you were toddler or when you are professional, when you compare, you know more than you were in the toddler space. You know more, you have more knowledge. You grew, you become more wise, you become more intelligent, you become more responsible, you became more you. You understand, no, I don't like speed cars. I like going in, probably I want a slow car, or I just want to do a cycling, walking, trekking. You become more you. Then why the hell your introduction became less interesting? Why? I want you to register this concept that your interest, you became bigger, better, but you start introducing yourself way bad. And when the time when you were nothing, you were introducing awesome. We are going to break that today. You are going to become awesome from today. We are going to reverse the cycle. Your growth, your more you-ness is not a word, okay, but I'm just trying to put it over here so that you remember. Need more you-ness in your introduction. Let's do it today.